When key fish habitats are damaged by unauthorised works, it is DPI Fisheries' priority to have the area repaired and restored. Unauthorised works include construction and other activities that have been undertaken in New South Wales waterways without relevant approvals under the Fisheries Management Act.
If you're planning on undertaking work or any activity that could harm marine vegetation, create an obstruction to fish passage, or involve digging within or filling part of a waterway, then you may require a permit from DPI Fisheries. The approval process is important. It enables DPI Fisheries officers to assess the design and techniques for works that could damage key fish habitat before it happens. DPI Fisheries regularly inspect waterways to identify damage to fish habitat caused by works undertaken without or inconsistent with a permit approval. When key fish habitats are damaged by unauthorised works, it is DPI Fisheries' priority to require whoever undertook the works to repair and restore the habitat. Sometimes the habitat repair and restoration works are done under a remediation order from the Minister or from the court. Remediation orders usually describe the work to be done within a specific time. The order may also require ongoing maintenance activities, such as weeding at the site, monitoring, and reporting to ensure fish habitat is fully restored. The most common types of unauthorised works and activities are boat ramps, jetties or pontoons, trimming or removal of marine vegetation such as mangroves, blocking tidal flows, constructing and upgrading of waterway crossings, bank reclamation and rock armouring works within waterways, and removal of snags. DPI Fisheries officers investigate alleged breaches for unauthorised works under the Fisheries Management Act. This can involve investigating people who did the work and determining the scale of impacts on key fish habitat. This information is referred to a DPI Fisheries Environmental Review Committee. The committee determines a compliance response in accordance with the DPI Fisheries policy guidelines and may decide a remediation order is needed to repair the habitat. At this site, the foreshore has been damaged by unauthorised reclamation using waste building material. A ministerial remediation order was issued to have the waste material removed and a fence installed to protect the intertidal area from erosion due to stock access. This allowed the native vegetation to recover. Healthy native vegetation such as mangroves and salt marsh is generally the best way to protect riverbanks. At this site, an unauthorised road has been built through a tidal wetland. A court remediation order was issued to remove the road and restore the marine vegetation. This unauthorised low-level crossing was built in a tidal waterway and blocked fish passage. A remediation order was issued to remove the crossing and restore tidal flows and fish passage. Remediation orders require repair to damaged sites to be done at the expense of an individual, corporation or local council. Remedial work costs are often the biggest monetary penalty to offenders. Penalties can also apply for non-compliance with remediation orders. If the order is not carried out as required, the Minister may order the remedial work done and recover the debt in court. It's always best to apply for and receive all the relevant approvals before commencing any works in New South Wales waterways. Sometimes works within or near a waterway will trigger the need to obtain approvals under several different pieces of legislation. It is your responsibility to determine what approvals are required before any riverbank works start. A good starting point is to talk to your local council.
For more information on DPI Fisheries permit requirements and rehabilitating fish habitat, please consult with your local DPI Fisheries manager or visit our website.